Alright, I'm gonna double down for all you knucklehead unbelieving motherfuckers out there that keep saying bullshit, that don't know shit from good chocolate about nothing and, you know, traction called carpet and pavement. Alright, you dumb fucks? This is gonna shut you guys up real quick. Alright, pay attention. So, 50 pounds, okay? Check this out. Okay, here we go. 50-pound weight. Count with me. 100. 150. 125. 175. 200. 225. 250. 275. 300. 325. 320. All right? Check this shit out. Pay attention, motherfuckers. Check it out. Look. No strings. No nothing. Where's the strings? Where's the rope? Huh? Where's the fucking strings and rope? All right? Check it out. Turn up the motor because that's cool as fuck.